dude. Good luck.
What did you do?
What?
Did you do? What did you...
You're gone now, boy. That's revenge. Now get out of there.
No.
It's okay. Shh, it's okay, buddy. Shh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Nathan. Nathan.
What's up, dude?
Are you good to go?
See you.
You see?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Look.
good.
Yo, check this out. Right now, I'm talking, dude. What?
That's disgusting.
I'm sorry, dude. I try my best, dude.
That's
Wait.
disgusting.
Wait, what?
Why do you do
Hey, you. Let me boost. Wait. What the heck?
it? Push, are you...
What? That's not me, yo. It's not me. Dude, it's
Someone
not.
joined the server.
Like,
Who is that? Did you tweet out our server IP? What are you doing?
no, I didn't do that. It's whitelisted.
Hey,
hello?
I'm Brick Boss. I like burgers.
Hello, what are you doing here?
Just... Oh my god.
Wait, Brick Boss? Is that really you?
Oh my god.
What are you doing here, dude? I thought you died. Just, is that all he said? Just, can you get, alright, you know what, dude? Honestly, this your Brick Boss.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go, we've been trolling, alright,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
we're just,
Brick Boss. So, like, we're in the middle of a series right now.
Yeah,
so,
we're in
like,
the-
I guess you got your island. I don't know how you got that.
dude, he's Brick Boss. He's got Lamborghinis and whatever,
He's
dude.
Brick Boss, so maybe right when he spawned in the server, boom, an island just appeared for him. You know,
Yo, he's got his own, he's so big that he's got his own island. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyways, so, let's go do our trolls. Brick Boss? Oh, he's just building. Oh, he just, you know what? I'm just gonna.
Maybe he's gonna build a troll. Maybe who knows?
No, that's not happening. No. Alright. Well, anyways, I'll see you later, Nathan. So, what's going on, guys? I don't know what just happened, but we're doing a troll on Unspeakable Gaming. So let's get started. Today, we're going to do the Wither Storm boss battle troll. This is going to be insane. You're going to see the actual Wither Storm boss, which is going to be actually insane. So let's go ahead and start this out. It's going to be pretty basic. I'm going to build a little platform, and then, of course, we're going to go ahead and do something else. So we'll build a platform, okay? And I'll build my own moose castle. And then in the castle, I'll hide inside and then no one can ever find me. It'll be super awesome, dude. Okay, wait, I think the server's lagging again. May or may not have crashed. No. Oh, God, it's broke. And the server. Oh, it's good. Yay! Now, what we're going to do next is set up the command block for this specific thing. We're going to go right over here. We're going to do /up1, okay? Then we'll do another one up one here, just like so. Alright, just like that. And we're gonna go over here and do another up one, like this. Actually, this is a bad idea. It's a little bit closer. /up one, like right here. Okay. Then we'll do /set obsidian. Alright. And now, we take our command block, like so. We'll take the command block, we place it down here, and now let me get the command real quick. This is a very long command. Like, this is like an insanely long command, okay? So, this is going to be the easy one. So here, done. And take a redstone block, place it down. Wait. Hold on. And there we go. He's doing his thing. Whether, Nathan, just ignore that. And just ignore that. Okay.
Is that your troll?
No. I'm using it for a different troll.
Sure. Okay.
Awesome. That's just what thank God. Thank God I didn't notice. By the way, hit that like button, guys, and comment down below what kind of a Minecraft troll I should pull on Unspeakable Gaming next. You guys get to decide the trolls, which is pretty awesome. So, pretty much comment down below how much to troll Unspeakable, and I'll do it, okay? /up1. It can be any troll possible, any troll. And I'll pick the best one for the next video, okay? And by the way, every single 1,000 likes, I'm gonna start doing a dab. So if we get like 7,000 likes in the next video, dude, this video, I will do seven dabs. 7,000 dabs. 7 dabs in the next video, okay? Let's do that. Alright, /up1, like this, set obsidian. Okay, and then do this, and then go like this, and go like that. Oh! Snap. Alright, then like this, and then like this. What? Just like this. Okay, this is good. So now this thing will be destruction proof from your boy, the Wither guy. Alright? And then we have what? Okay, so we need to activate this thing. I believe we need a command block. Alright, so we need a command block. We also need a skull. So we need one command block. So one command block. You need soul sand. 3 soul sand. Alright, and then we need a skull. With a skull. And then what we gotta do is simply we'll come over here and we'll build it. But first we're gonna hold on to the item. What is Brick Boss doing? Is he just building a castle? He's just building a castle and diamonds and gold blocks. You know what? I'm not gonna question it. It's Brick Boss. You just gotta let him do what he wants. It's Brick Boss. What is Brick Boss? Okay, so anyways, what we're gonna do next game is go over here and we're gonna build a castle. I'm gonna build a moose castle. I'm gonna build the biggest moose castle ever. Okay? We're gonna do let's do this. I got the glowstone to decorate a little cooler. I'll even get obsidian. Oh, that's gonna be sick, dude. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. Oh wait, I'll make my face. Yes, I'll make my face. Okay. Where do we go? Where do we go? What's my face look like? What would that color be for wool? I think the wool would be like. Is it orange? Or is it gonna be brown? I don't really know how to tell actually. Yeah. My face is like. It's how do I describe this part? I know this part can be brown. This can be orange. The eyes can be blue. The face is gonna be white. Wool. Is it? Oh, we're gonna do pink. Or yellow. I don't know. This is kind of tough. I'll just do a white face. Okay? And then I'll do this thing here. This will be the eye. No. This will. Oh, I'm so confused, guys. Hold up. I'm just gonna give this a shot. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so after we do that, we're gonna go here, /1, get this, go over here, place down set wool yellow, just like that. Alright, and then we're gonna start decorating. So I have how many pixels on my face? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
When you use Groupon in your neighborhood, you're not only saving money, you're also supporting local business. I mean, what kind of person wouldn't want to support local business?
I hate local business. Family owned, even better. Shut it down.
When you save in your neighborhood, it feels so good. It didn't feel good for him, though. Download the app and save. Groupon.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is kind of tough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll get rid of this. Alright, I'll get rid of this. And then 2 over here. Okay, so let's do that real quick. Get rid of these things over here. Just ignore it. I never have built them. I've never ever built a Minecraft face. Legit. I've never built an actual Minecraft face, so this is going to be pretty tough for me. Okay? Let's do this. Set grass, and we are good to go. Now, this will be 3 layers, which will be the brown part. Like this. Set brown. Okay, like that. There we go. Alright. So that's like this. Now, wow, that looks so bad. That looks bad. This is 9. 9. Okay, hold on. I gotta move this layer down. Dude. / move weather clear. / weather clear time set day. Alright, now that looks better. So the eyes go 2 blocks up over here. Like this. I made my own skin. But it's kind of hard to explain. It's kind of hard to actually draw. Why did I just put here? Okay, let's do this. This goes white. Yeah, there we go. Look, it's kind of working. I feel like I should do this though. Like add like this. I should make like more of a depth to it. Nah. It looks like a Russian hat. It looks like a Russian fur hat if I do that. It's so weird, dude. Okay, so what if I replace this to be yellow? Replace yellow with pink. What? What just happened? Replace yellow with pink wool. Replace yellow with wool pink. That looks weird. It looks weird, right, guys? Oh! Why is it so... White stained clay. We have clay. What am I doing? I just went... Oh, God. Right here. That's it. 159. Replace wool with 159. Oh, no! Oh, that was an accident. Replace yellow with 159. There we go. Much better. Why don't we just use clay? What am I doing? I can just use clay. It wasn't that wrong, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll just use this instead. That's better. There you go. Look at that. Hardened clay. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Okay, that's happening. All right. Set 172. Oh my god, it's much better, dude. I'll keep the eyes. I'll keep the eyes like that. Oh, I'll take quartz. I'll just take quartz, okay? I'll take quartz and I'll put the quartz right here. Hey Nathan, having some trouble? Oh, he's salty. Oh snap, he won't even speak. Okay, let's do blue. Let's do light blue stained clay. I'll do some diamonds for my eyes, cause I gotta shine bright like a diamond. Whoop! Like this. Oh, that looks awesome! Look at this. That looks so cool. Okay, we kind of have eyebrows here. I added a very light amount of eyebrows for my eyes. So what if I use this kind of clay, or maybe I use this kind of clay? Nah, that looks weird. That was kind of weird. It looks very weird, dude. That looks too strange. Okay, now I added 2 dots, one here and then one here, and that will be the orange clay, which will go right here. You know what? We need a different clay. Okay, let's do clay. We can do yellow, or we can do orange wool. Orange wool, like this. There you go, much better. Or maybe this. I like the orange more. I think this orange stands out more. This one right here. I think this looks better because maybe I don't know. It's kind of tough to decide. You know what? I'll keep this one. No. It's gotta be this one. It just gotta be this one. Okay. There we go. Much better. But what if we reverse the colors? What if we make this one? What if we make this one actually orange? Ready? We'll do orange stained clay, set 159. 1. And then we'll get rid of these 2 and add in much better. Oh yeah, much better, dude. Heck yeah, dude. Look at that. Way better. So that's how we're going to keep it. And then, I don't have a mouth, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, awesome. There we go. Cool, we did it. Alright, so what we're going to do next is now get the corners. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We'll do this. Set it to like this. Like that. And then we'll do this. And we'll go over here. Technically, my side of my face is like, you can't really see it that well. So I'm just gonna put it like this, okay? We're gonna dig down a little bit. We're gonna just dig down a little bit, dude. Okay, now that we have finished this part, let's do like so. Oh, much better, dude. Yeah, that's better, dude. That's better. Okay, and then we'll stop it here, like so. Much better. Cool, and then we'll finish it up like so. And now we get out to add my antlers. My antlers are beautiful. My antlers are beautiful, so I gotta add them in here, like that. We'll even build an interior inside, so we can just chill inside and have a lot of fun, dude. That'd be sick. Set 0. Oh, you know what I should do? Make my eyes be windows. Oh, that'd be sick, dude. Yeah, look, I'll do the diamonds here, and then I'll make these ones be windows. Glass. Yo, that's sick. Look at this. Ready? Check this out now. I can see through it. That's so cool. I can even make this be windows, too. I can do, glass, and I can make it like a little bit of a light. Like this, yes. Oh my god, so cool. That is so cool. Look at this now. It looks weird. It looks weird. I was wrong. That looks better. Much better. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, so, that's done. Now we need antlers. So let's do the side of my head. This is going to be tough to cut. But I do not remember how I made these antlers. These antlers were a little bit complex. Give its Moosecraft player head. Player head. Hey Brick Boss, can you hook me up with a Moosecraft head? Question mark. Whoa! Look at that mansion! That looks amazing! Holy snaps! That looks good! You did a good job. Oh my god, you did a really good job actually. God. Okay, now we need white. Alright, let's do wool. I'll do wool, okay? Or better yet, I can cover this part up. It'll be nice and rich to the boy.